My neighbor thought it was a great idea to make my room smell like diarrhea. But I'm just kinda singing, so you don't need to hear all the microwave noises that you are hearing right now because I stopped singing, so it's not an amazing thing. And now don't judge me for having 300 ping and 12 FPS. I mean, I'm doing better than that guy at least. Like, holy crap, Pika, what have you done? What have you done with your life? His nose, it's like a Grinch. Like it needs mental ability from people that can't help you in a hospital. Anyway, so this is my first ever video on YouTube that I will be making on this channel, because if I was talking about my first ever video on YouTube, maybe then I would be talking about like 17 other channels that I have made. It was actually just like 6. All of them got together like 50 subscribers, and the most important part was that I actually did get like 200 views max. This was, guys, it was an amazing thing that somebody cared about me, so I wanted that feeling again. I mean, this guy would need it a lot. If you can look at his face, which does not look that amazing. Like, Pika, you had such an amazing lobby with castles. Now we have bowls of crap filled with crap and hay bales, and then you have this dude, and he's not even black, he's Indian, so I'm not being racist, because Indians are great people that love to scam you. So this is gonna be probably it for this little chant that I have for the first video I ever make. So if this channel gets 2 subscribers, I will be able to make myself want to die while looking back at this cringe and the microwave noises in the background that are so great that a person who owns a microwave that has like 3000 decibels of sound would think, wow, this is even louder. What about if I get one like this? Well, let me tell ya, you don't want to. It's actually just my crap PC that can get more than 30 FPS. I'm supposed to upload this with 60 FPS. What is this? I'm not even gonna get enough to make 2 cents out of this. But it's actually just more because I kinda wanna be like, okay, I wanna play games and show people what I can do, than be a useless idiot on the internet. Also, I did not swear. I restrained myself from swearing. I won't swear that much. If it's going to be an amazing thing, then I'm going to swear. But if it's like a small thing, then I won't swear. Like, the videos that I swear in shall either be censored, will have censored words, or I will just link as, I swore in this contains swearing, do not watch with your children, because yes, you would like to watch Pornhub with them. But anyway, this is also a not safe for children video right now, because I just stated something about sex earlier. So it's really an amazing thing about what community is. And Jesus Christ, why is he made of mushrooms? Anyway, that's gonna do it for this. I wasted 3 minutes and 30 seconds of your life for something useless about talking about myself and singing a little poem. So goodbye.